Now we'll see the next question of GST intra-state within the state. So note down the question. Generalize the following transaction in the books of Kaveri traders. 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 Messrs Kaveri traders. Journal entry. So first transaction is purchase goods from Nagendra and Sons of Belgaum of the list price of the goods is 1,25,000. List price is 1,25,000. At 20% trade discount, so we will deduct the trade discount TD 25%. Okay, 25% of 1,25,000 is 25% of 1,25,000 means 1/4. Not 25%, but it is 20%. Okay, 20% of 1,25,000. So 1/5, 25,000. So it is 1 lakh. After deduction of trade discount, it is 1 lakh. Okay. So 1 lakh is your purchase, considered as purchase. We are taking the purchase at 1 lakh. Consider this value, this amount. Thereafter, 5% cash discount on purchase price of goods, paid CGST and SGST at the rate of 6% each. So at the CGST at the rate of 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. So 6% of 1 lakh is 6,000 and 6,000, it is 1,12,000. 6% of which amount? 6% of 1 lakh and 6% of 1 lakh. So 1,12,000. Okay, 1,12,000. So total purchase will be considered. This one will be considered as total purchase, including this GST. Total purchase. Total figure will be taken. This one total, including GST. Without GST it is 1 lakh. With GST it is 1,12,000. Paid amount, payment was made immediately by check. Payment was made immediately by check. So cash discount is how much? Cash discount is 5% cash discount. Cash discount. So we'll calculate the cash discount 5% on which amount? This amount or this amount? This amount, 1 lakh. So it is 5,000. So the final payment will be 1,07,000. 1,07,000 will be paid. This amount will be paid. So the entry will be, date is 2019 May 15. Purchase account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit. Okay, input SGST account debit to bank account to discount received. account. Being narration, what you will write in narration? Being goods purchased at 20% trade discount and with CGST at the rate of 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%, and payment is done immediately. Okay, being goods purchased at 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount, including CGST and SGST at the rate of 6%, both. This will be the narration. So purchase account debit with this figure 1 lakh, 6,000 CGST, 6,000 SGST, 5,000 is the cash discount, and this much 1,07,000 is the payment. We have to do the payment. So both side total is 1,12,000, 1,12,000. Is it clear? 1,12,000 and 1,12,000. Next is sold goods to Arbind. Sold goods to Arbind. Next transaction is sold goods to Arbind Patel and Company, Arbind Patel and Company, Hubli. Goods list price of the goods is 4 lakhs less 25% trade discount. 25% trade discount. So 25% of 4 lakhs. 25% of 4 lakhs is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. So after deduction it is 3 lakhs. So goods is sold at this value. And 3% cash discount on sales price. 3% is the cash discount on sales price. Charge CGST and SGST at the rate of 6%. So add the CGST at the rate of 6%. And SGST at the rate of 6%. So 6% of this amount 18,000 and 18,000 respectively. So total is 3,36,000. This is the total sales values, total sales including CGST and SGST. Full payment was received by check at the time of itself. Full payment is received. So discount allowed. When we receive the amount, then we allow the discount. Discount will be allowed on which amount? 3 lakhs, not this amount. This is the amount including CGST and SGST. Discount is not allowed in this figure. Discount is allowed on the raw figure, raw figure 3 lakhs. Discount is at the rate of 3%. So it is 9,000 is the discount. So deduct the discount. So after deducting the discount, you see the figure 3,27,000 you will received. You will received how much? 3,27,000. So the entry will be bank account debit. Bank account debit. Discount allowed account debit. Okay, to bank account debit, discount allowed account debit to sales account, to CGST, to output CGST, at the time of sales it's become output CGST or output SGST. Okay, so sales figure is 3 lakhs is the figure of sales. So 3 lakhs I have written in the credit side. Thereafter CGST 18,000, then SGST 18,000. This much amount we have received 3,27,000 and discount allowed is 9,000. Discount allowed is 9,000. You see both side total is same. Both side total is same. Input CGST or input GST is the assets and output GST is the liability. Okay, narration will be being, what you will write in narration, being goods sold at 25% trade discount and 5% cash discount with CGST and SGST at the rate of 6% each and payment received immediately. Okay, by check. Full payment received immediately by check. This will be the narration. Okay, this will be the narration. Now I have to see that, I have to make it in a record of my CGST, input CGST, input. If I am talking about input CGST, CGST and SGST. Input CGST is 6,000 and it is SGST is also 6,000, whereas the output CGST and SGST is 18,000 and 18,000 till the transaction number second, from first and second. I have make a record because I am going to erase this one. Okay, remove this one. I am going to remove. So I have made a record. I have made a record of GST input and output both, so that we will do the settlement easily at the end. We can do the settlement easily. So first transaction was on May 15, second was on May 20. Now the third transaction is on May 22. On May 22, sold to Bangarappa and brothers of Mysuru goods of the list price rupees 2,50,000, list price 2,50,000 at 25% TD, 20% trade discount, sorry, 20% trade discount. So 20% trade discount is 50,000. 20% means 1 by 5, 50. It means it is 2 lakhs. After deduction of TD, it is 2 lakhs. So sales value is this. 4% cash discount on sales price. Okay, charge CGST and SGST at the rate of 6%. So you add CGST at the rate of 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. So 6% of this figure is 12,000 and 12,000, 6% of 2 lakhs and 6% of 2 lakhs. So it is 2,24,000 including GST. The sales is 2,24,000. Excluding GST, the sales is this, and including GST, the sales is this. 2,24,000. 80% amount received by check immediately. 80% of this figure is received immediately by check. So 80% is your cash sales, and it means 20% is credit sales. Yes, credit sales. So we'll calculate the 80% of 2,24,000. 80% of this figure. So 80% of 2,24,000 into 80 upon 100. So it is 1,99,000 1 lakh 99,000 1,79,200. 1,79,200. 1,79,200. Okay, 1,79,200 less cash discount is at the rate of 4%. Cash discount is 4%. Is at the rate of cash discount is at the rate of 4%. So we'll calculate the cash discount at the rate of 4%. On which amount we'll calculate the cash discount? We'll calculate the cash discount on this figure. First of all, this figure will be converted into 80%. So 2 lakh into 80 upon 100, 80% into 4 upon 100, 4% is the cash discount. So this figure will come 2 lakhs. First of all, we will convert it into cash sales, 80%, then 4% is the cash discount. Okay, 4% is the cash discount. $6,400. This comes 6,400. 6,400. So we'll deduct this amount, 1,79,000. Here I am not getting space. Okay, so it is 20% credit sales. It is credit sales. So 1,79,200. This amount I have written here so that I can deduct it easily. So the figure will be 008,271. 1,72,800. 1,72,800. Now come, sold goods to Bangarappa. So Bangarappa account debit. Messrs Bangarappa and Sons account debit. Okay, bank account debit because some amount is received, 80%. Discount allowed account debit. Discount allowed will be debited. Discount allowed. Okay, to sales account, to output CGST, to output SGST. Okay, thereafter we will write the narrations. Okay, so come here, sales will be credited with this figure, sales 2 lakhs. Thereafter CGST 12,000 and SGST 12,000, output and CGST and output SGST. This much amount we will receive, 1,72,800, and 6,400 will be the discount, and 80% of this amount will be considered as a credit sales. 80% is your credit sales. So calculate the 80% of 2,24,000 into 20 upon 100. 20% is your credit sales. 20% is your credit sales. So this amount comes 44,800. 44,800 is your credit sales. 20% of 2,24,000 is the credit sales. Because 80% is the cash sales, it means the 20% is the credit sales. 20% is the credit sales. So we will calculate the 20% of 2,24,000 for credit sales and for 80% for cash sales, and in this amount we will deduct the cash discount. While calculating the cash discount, we'll not take this figure, we'll take this figure, we'll convert it to 80% first and then 4%. Okay, so both debit and credit is same. Okay, debit and credit is same. Is it clear? Now see the next. Here the output CGST is 12,000 and 12,000 SGST. Output CGST and SGST is 12,000 and 12,000. Now the next entry will be on May 31st. We'll do the settlement. Payment made of balance amount of GST. We'll do the payment of the balance amount of GST. So output CGST account debit, output SGST account debit. It's a time to settle the account of GST. To input CGST, to input SGST, and the rest will be paid by bank. Okay, rest will be paid by bank. So you see the total here is 30 and 30. Okay, 30. So 30,000 debit and 30,000 debit. Output CGST and output SGST. Input CGST is 6,000 and input SGST is 6,000. So 60,000 minus 12,000. This is total is 60. And here total is 12. So 60 minus 12 is 48,000 will be paid through check and deposited that amount into government treasury and deposited that amount into government treasury. Is it clear? So this is the settlement of GST. Input CGST, input GST will be adjusted with the output GST. In input GST, input CGST will be adjusted with the input output CGST and input SGST will be adjusted with the output SGST and the rest amount will be deposited into the government treasury. So this transaction is clear? Okay. So output CGST is the liability or input CGST is considered as an assets. Is considered as an assets. Main problem you may face over here, calculating of cash discount. Cash discount never calculate on this figure. Cash discount will be on the raw item of sales. It is for 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs will be converted into first 80%, then 4% of that. So this will be deducted and you will get this amount and this amount you will receive. Okay.